welcome to NASAM Academy once again. My name is NASAM. Tap on the subscribe button for you to learn the tech issues. If there is a certain password you're using and you're tired of it, you want to change it. How can you change your computer's account password? Again, setting the name of your account computer. If you don't know how to do that, well, NASAM Academy is here for you. And you who knows how to do it, share to someone who doesn't know how to. So this is our computer here, open, very open. Now what we're going to do is go in the search bar down here. Then you type control panel, control panel. You see? This control panel will display on the right hand of the displayed page. You see? Then all you have to do is open. When you click open, this page will be displayed. Now we go to user accounts category. User accounts, then you click on the change account type. But most of your computers have one account. And before doing anything to it, this is how it will be looking like, user. Then you select it. Once you select it, you click once. It will be opened. Now it means this is your computer account. You don't have a picture there. The name user. And then when you come to the left wing, there is change the account name. This is where we change the account name from this user you're seeing here to the name you like. Then creating a password. It means this computer doesn't have a password on it. Because when it has a password here, the name written here, or this option will not be create a password. It will be change a password. We come here, we click once, it will be opened. So new account name. This serves as to when your computer is having another name, you want to change it. Or maybe it doesn't have any name. That's why it's called the user account. You understand? So for this case, on my computer, I'm going to type NASAM Academy. Understand? NASAM Academy, then here, change a name. Why does it bring an option of change a name, not create a name? Change a name, it means user account comes in with user as its name. So you have to change the name. We're still here. We have changed our name. You understand? Then we go back. Now, here we have already changed from user to NASAM Academy. Or put there a name of your choice. You have created account name for your computer. Now, creating a password, we go again to create a password. We click the same again. Now, it doesn't have a password yet. That's why they're asking. Now, a password, and you type any password of your choice that will be remembering whichever encrypted name you put here. It should be the same as the one that is there. You understand? If you're good at forgetting, yes, if you're good at forgetting that you can't remember your password, you can provide a hint. A hint is a short word or a short or abbreviation or something that you can put here to make you remember the password you have saved above here or you have created. But this is prone to being hacked, because if someone comes to your computer without knowing the password but wants to unlock it and sees here the password hint, he will use this password hint to try as many as he can to unlock. Then after that, it means I will create the password. And I click create password. It means it has already created. That's why I told you here, you see, it has changed from create the password to change the password. If your computer has created the password here, it means you don't have any password on your account of the computer. But when it brings change the password, it means your computer is now protected with some encryption, that we call a password. Now, if you want to change it, once again, you have to change it from here. Once you do that, you'll have managed to create a password and account name. If your laptop has a problem and you would like to solve it, send us an email there at nasamacademy1@gmail.com, or maybe put it in comment section here. I will reply with a video solving a problem that your computer has. Subscribe and tap on notification bell.